So today we're going to look at what this rhythm is, how this rhythmic concept works, as well as looking at how we can orchestrate this sound on the drum kit. Now in Cuban music, musical styles can broadly be categorized into two groups. There's son and there's also rumba, okay? And there are different claves depending on which style you're playing. So the first clave that we're going to talk about is the son clave, which, as you can guess, is used in most styles of music in the son half, if you like, of Cuban music. Then there's the rumba clave, which is similar to the son clave. There's just one slight difference, and that's used in most rumba styles. But then there's also the clave that's used in rumba Colombia, which is like a 6/8 clave, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4.